To make a selection, you must be enrolled in Kinder through 11th grade for the current school year or enrolled for the 21-22 school year. You must complete the choice of school form within the choice window of January 6th through February 26th. You will need your child's ID number and their date of birth. You must also indicate your first, second, and third choice of campus for each child. If your child is a new enrollee, the student ID number will be provided to you on the enrollment application approval email. To locate the link for the 21-22 Choice of School form, you can access it through the Skyward Family Access landing page or through our district website, garlandisd.net/choice. On this page, you can select the Choice of School form. On the Choice of School form, you will notice the option to Google Translate the page into any other language. Remember, if you're pleased with your child's current school assignment and would like for them to continue at the same school, you do not need to complete this form. You will need your student's ID number, and their date of birth. Once you tab over, their information should auto-populate. Remember that only students who will be in grades 1 through 12 for next school year are able to submit an application at this time. If your child is going to be in pre-K or kindergarten for next school year, we ask you to please wait until their window opens on March 24th. Towards the bottom, you will need the parent's or guardian first name, last name, phone number, and email. Notice at the bottom where it says, please notify your child's campus data clerk if your child has a sibling enrolled in Garland ISD not listed above. On this next page, you will be able to select up to 3 schools. Remember that these school selections below are for regular non-magnet seats. If you are interested in applying for a magnet program, you must also complete a magnet application during the corresponding dates. Please go to our magnet application process and timelines webpage for more information. When you make your school selections, this will auto-populate with the distance from your home to that campus, and it will also let you know if you are eligible for transportation to that campus or not. Please note that the transportation eligibility information provided above is based on the student's current home address in Skyward. If you have recently moved, please provide a new proof of residence to the campus data clerk for home address to be updated. And on the last page, all you need to do is just sign and date. Accept and submit. You should receive a copy of this form directly to the email you provided on this form. Thank you.